Thursday morning. It's a little rainy outside, fixing the snow over here in North Carolina. So we'll go ahead and knock out an oil pump on this 98 model Dodge. Show y'all how to get in here and get this off. You gotta go through and pull all your oil pan bolts. I pulled almost all of them off. Once you remove all your bolts around, you get the pan down. I'll show you how to get in there. Make sure you drain your oil first. You pull all your bolts around the edge. I got the last bolt to pull. Pull the pan off of it. We'll get out of that oil pump. I'll show you how to get this thing swapped out. Well, I got the oil pump off of it. I'm sorry if you can't hear me good this morning. I got the heater going here because it is cold. I want to show y'all. See right here? See that screen is stopped completely up. That right there is why the motor ain't got no oil pressure. Down the pan. Anytime y'all take a pan off that's siliconed on like this, if you look at this thing, somebody probably been in here before, honestly, just looking by the way it's silicone. But see the side of the pan right there, see that bent area? You always gotta make sure when you pry these silicone pans, or pans that's been siliconed on like this, you have to go through and you gotta make sure wherever you put the screwdriver at that you straighten that area back out, because if you don't, you'll have an oil leak right there. Get this thing back together. So make sure I'm gonna pull all this silicone off this gasket here that ain't supposed to be here. Put the new gasket on, my hammer and dolly this out to get it back level. I'll show you. Watch this. Let me get a screwdriver. I'm gonna show you how gummed up this screen is. Right here. Get all the sludge. Catch my pan that way. I don't want. All that. Alright, there's why she ain't got no oil pressure. You can't get through that grime. But when you don't change the oil, that stuff builds up. And when it builds up, it turns around and now you see the oil starting to run back out. That's what's inside the motor. So it just unclogged it. So now I got drainage back into it. See, that's what, when you don't change the oil, it gums up your pickup screens and stuff like that. And that's why you start having issues. So I used to think the 5.4 liter Ford was a piece of, like a real piece of crap, and I know it has its issues. But a lot of times, it's just because people don't keep the maintenance up on them. I took them apart too, and the screens be completely gummed up because owner negligence on this maintenance. Let me get this cleaned up and I'll that's right here. We're going to put the oil pump while we're in here, even though it's just that screen. I'll show y'all to get this loose. It's just a press fit, so you just got to keep tapping until you get it loose. Just keep going back and forth with it with a blunt force hammer until you get it worked on its way out. I like to hit it sideways and just keep tapping until that piece comes out. Once that comes out, you got 2 bolts over there on the actual pump to remove the pump. We'll go ahead and get that out your way. It was actually threaded. I was over here beating on it. Well, another trick I like to do, I like to go through and cut that hole out a little bigger. That way there's less chance of stuff gathering up inside there. So now I'm going to take some brake cleaner. I'm going to clean all that off. Get it washed out, get it put on the new pump. We'll be good to go. So I like to cut that hole out a little bigger. That way there's less stuff up in there can build up inside there. Bigger hole means it's a lot harder to plug it next time. Got the screen cleaned out. Started cleaning up around the edge of the pan. I got brake clean everything off. Then we're gonna go through and put the pan back on, crank up, see if we got oil pressure. I gotta go clean the pan out. I'm sure these bearings probably took a beating. I don't know how long they drove it with no oil pressure, but hopefully all is well. I think it will be. Everything feels good. Still got movement right here, so ain't none of that got hot, so that's a good thing. But yeah, we're gonna get it all cleaned up, get it put back together, and see how she does. Got that oil pan gasket on here, got all the bolts back in it. So I'm gonna put one little bracket over here on this one side of the motor, right here, the support bracket. There you go, put the oil in it and let's fire this thing, guys. Well, got it back together. Got oil in it, about to fire it off, see if it has oil pressure. There she goes. So let's see her run, see if them lifters are quite enough on them. We're gonna take it for a test drive and see how it does. But So far, it's already better than it was because it had 0 before. Run for a while. I went ahead and changed the oil in one more time just to make sure we got all the contaminants out. So now we out here driving it. The liter's finally quieting up on it, and I guess they finally got lubricated enough, got enough oil in them. Hopefully everything's good, but so far the oil pressure's still good on it, and the motor's sounding a lot better than its sound. So hopefully you get some years use out of it. Alright guys, well that's all I got for you today. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in one tomorrow. Appreciate it.